Are Comfortmaker furnaces good?
Comfortmaker is a deceptive name. Unless you're comfortable with getting to know the repairman on a first-name basis.
You make it sound like their furnaces are not so hot.
Comfortmaker's furnaces rate a lot better than their air conditioners. Comfortmaker's furnaces get about as many positive as negative reviews.
I don't know, is it hot or cold for a furnace?
Goodman is far worse.
I know Goodman is no good, but what about Comfortmaker?
Comfortmaker furnaces have problems with the fans and blowers going out. Their heat exchangers are horrible.
I thought they were energy efficient.
About average on energy efficiency, but the efficiency goes up when the furnace is not working.
I heard they had problems with the control board.
Yeah, those do tend to go out on Comfortmaker HVAC equipment. And you still end up with the flame sensors getting replaced regularly.
I wonder what could mess up a flame sensor.
It could be something as small as a spider in the crossover tube.
Okay, that is a literal bug in the design. How is the warranty?
The unit has to be maintained to their standards every year to keep up the warranty. Then they just cover parts, not labor.
Labor can run up to equal the cost of the parts.
And then there is the maintenance.
You want to do the maintenance anyway to prevent house fires.
The greater issue is the cost of replacing blowers, control boards and other parts. Over the life of the unit, the replacement parts could be more than the cost to replace it.
Yet I've heard of Comfortmaker furnaces that were working well for 20 years.
You know the old people saying how they don't make them like they used to? Well, Comfortmaker does not make them as well as they used to.
I think I'll go with a higher quality brand.